This book here is called Grumpy Monkey's Little Book of Grumpiness. All right, he does look a bit grumpy, doesn't he? Oh, sorry, it's by Suzanne Lang. Grumpy. Oh, how about a banana? A banana. Oh, still grumpy. Well, how about a banana and a ball? Still grumpy. Well, how about, okay, let's look at the picture and then I'm gonna sign it. How about a banana and a ball, some crayons, a present, a rainbow, a flamingo, a red tent, a chirpy bird, a snorty pig, a frog in a fluffy wig, a kite, the moon, and a baboon with a bassoon. There it all is. What's he gonna say? Oh no, he's still really grumpy. That's it. Okay, well, oops, there it is. Let's try that again. How about a banana, a ball, some crayons, color writers, a present, a rainbow, a red tent, a chirpy bird, a snorty pig, a frog in a fluffy wig, a kite, a moon, and a baboon with a bassoon, with a cherry, like you're taking out the little pit, with a cherry on top. My goodness, now he is super mad. The feelings are just coming out. Peace and quiet? Is that what he wants? Quiet? Quiet? Doesn't really look like it. Oh, now he's sad. Oh, he even has little tears coming down. Well, how about peace and quiet and a friend who is what? A gorilla. Pretty good, he says. Not bad. The end. That was cute.